I'm gonna do half a dozen.
Half a dozen?
Yeah. On top?
No,
or
underneath.
the bottom one? Okay.
He wants the box.
He wants the box?
Yeah, so take a video on that. Wait, grab it from the top.
Yeah. Biggie! Too long, John. Pick one.
Which one, John, is it?
You have 3 of them.
John.
You want that one?
I have
Awesome. Yay, Biggie. Good job.
What's your review for this
Biggie.
donut?
Did you like the donut?
donuts.
Did you like it? How was it? Good or very good?
How many stars would you give it? Out of 5 stars, 0 is bad and 5 is the best. How many stars do you give that donut?
6.
6?
Wow.
Wow, that's good.
That's a pretty good donut.
That is awesome. All right, so this is my donut. The rest of them are wives and kids. I'm gonna try this one. This is my favorite. Mmm. It's delicious. So if you want some recommendations for off-strip Vegas restaurants, hit me up in the comments. I'll bring these videos to you. There's a lot of amazing off-strip restaurants in Las Vegas, and that's what I'm going to profile on my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.